The scent of pomodoro and basilico infused many childhood memories cooking with my nonna. As the smells would linger in the kitchen, we would have a deep chinwag about the delicacies of this island called Sicily. This was where she came from. It created a deep connection for me to travel to a land I had never been to before until I turned 20. Ciao, my name is Carmela D'Amore. Today, I'm an international Sicilian chef, ambassador to Sicilian food, author of 3 books, executive chef of my family's run restaurant Sorrento Trattoria, and CEO of Calmero's Cucina Class, a Sicilian masterclass in cooking and travels to Sicily. Would you like to know more? I know you would. Who doesn't love arancine? There is a debate about its gender and shape. Arancino or arancina? This is the question. There is war about the most famous rice ball in the world. The next time you take a bite into this delicious crunchy texture that for centuries Sicilians have enjoyed eating, think about its shape. In the region of Catania, it is shaped like Mount Etna. In the region of Palermo, it is shaped like an orange. So join me as we finally decide or just enjoy it regardless of its shape or gender. The German artist Goethe quoted, "To have seen Italy without having seen Sicily is not to have seen Italy at all, for Sicily is the clue to everything." As this story goes, there once were 3 nymphs who danced around the world, taking handfuls of the earth, small stones, different fruits from the most beautiful and fertile places. They stopped in a region of the universe that had a particularly clear blue sky. There, the dance became elegant, joyful, and between one step and another, the 3 nymphs threw into the sea everything they collected from the world. The sea lit up like a rainbow, and from the waves emerged a brand new, rich, fragrant and gleaming land. It was shaped like a triangle, as it had filled the space between the headlands that had been created right there where the dancing nymphs had thrown everything they found. Today, we call this place Sicily. And every year we tour there to experience the magic of the nymphs. From cooking local dishes, sailing along Palermo, art tours, the teatro and more. So join us, won't you?